Do you need heat repair, furnace repair, or HVAC service in York, PA? My name is Dave Henry with Wilbur Henry Plumbing, Heating, and AC. And I'm the third generation to serve York County, Pennsylvania when the heat stops working on those cold days. We can handle most any make of furnace, boiler, heat pump, or heating system. Gas, electric, or oil, we have the experience to address your HVAC needs. Since 1960, Wilbur Henry Plumbing, Heating, and AC has been serving the York County with furnaces that won't start or keep you warm. We have 3 generations of heat service behind us, with my grandfather Wilbur Henry, my father Tom, myself Dave Henry, and our crew of certified and trained technicians. Yes, we do offer 24-hour emergency heating service. Call us at 717-755-5461, and Crystal will take your call and get one of our skilled heating technicians on your job ASAP. We can handle commercial and residential heating related issues from gas furnaces, electric furnaces, oil boilers, hot water radiator, forced hot air systems, thermostats, and whole house installs in new construction. After 50 years in the business, we are here to treat you right. Our focus is on completing the job right the first time, having respect for your home or business, and charging you a fair price. Our website, wilburhenry.com, contains many helpful suggestions that you can use to maintain and extend the life of your heating system. We also provide suggestions so you can troubleshoot the issue before you make the call. But when you make that call, you can rest assured that Wilbur Henry Plumbing, Heating, and AC will be there to address your heat-related needs with the speed, respect, and attention you would expect for your home or business. Thank you very much.